Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study geometry step by step. First, build a rock-solid foundation. Master fundamental definitions, theorems, and postulates. Understand Euclidean geometry, covering lines, angles, and triangles. Familiarize yourself with circles and quadrilaterals, knowing their properties inside and out. Also, grasp coordinate geometry basics, like the distance formula and slopes, which are crucial for many problems. Next, focus on developing robust problem-solving techniques. Cultivate strong visualization skills to mentally manipulate complex figures. Always draw accurate and large diagrams for every problem. This is a critical first step. Learn to identify key properties and apply the most relevant theorems efficiently. Explore various approaches, such as constructing auxiliary lines or using area-based methods to find elegant solutions. Once you have a strong foundation, delve into advanced geometry concepts. Study theorems like Seva's and Menelaus's, which are frequently tested. Explore powerful techniques such as homothety, inversion, and the radical axis. Crucially, solve a wide variety of problems from past contests and reputable textbooks. Regularly review challenging problems and understand common pitfalls to refine your understanding. Finally, implement an effective review and exam strategy. Keep a dedicated notebook for important theorems, formulas, and elegant problem solutions. Regularly revise all learned concepts to keep them fresh in your mind. Practice solving problems under timed conditions to improve both speed and accuracy. Critically analyze your mistakes to understand your weaknesses and continuously improve your performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.